So yeah, Clay Smith here, Master's in Business Administration. I specialize in systems. I'm a real estate investor myself, done plenty of flips. I own a contracting company and a property management company. I'm a licensed contractor as well. And I just want to talk to you a little bit about how you can get into real estate with little or no money down. So when I started out with pretty much nothing, a loan from my savings account or my investment fund. Took a partner on and started into a property for around $50,000 purchase. I want to talk to you about how you can get into rentals and buy them now, because a lot of people out there, there's a misconception that you need cash in order to do this. If what you have is time and not money, you should come to this event and learn how to do a buy, fix, renovate, and rent your property, and then go finance it after the fact. So I want to talk to you about those things. Also, I want to talk to you about tenant proofing from a contractor standpoint. Things you need to be thinking about, putting in certain toilets with a 4-inch drain, or how to key your property correctly. So come to this meeting, hear about the high levels of how you can get into real estate investing now today with very little money down, just a good network of friends. And then also come to our Saturday class, because I'll give you those checklists and those material lists so that you know how to renovate your property properly and take all the guesswork out in decision making.